Hey there, welcome back to Intellect Insight. Today we are talking about how you can start a blog and turn it into a money making machine. Blogging is one of the best ways to share your passions, build an audience, and yes, making money. If that sounds like something you are interested in, stick around because I'm breaking it down into easy, actionable steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first and most crucial step is picking your niche. This is what your blog will focus on, so it's important to choose something you are both passionate about and that has audience interest. Ask yourself, what am I really good at? What can I talk about for hours? What problems can I solve for others? For example, popular niches include personal finance, fitness, food, parenting, travel, and tech. But don't just go with what's trending. Your niche should reflect something you enjoy and can stick with long term. Check the demand by researching what people are searching for in that niche using tools like Google Trends or Uber Suggest. This way, you ensure there is an audience for your content. Step 2. Set up your blog. Once you've decided on your niche, it's time to set up your blog. Here, how to get started. Follow these 3 steps. Pick a domain name. This is your website's URL, so keep it short, catchy, and relevant to your niche. A good domain name should be easy to remember and spell. You can register one with services like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Second, choose a web host. Your web host is where your blog lives online. So I recommend Bluehost or SiteGround because they are affordable and beginners friendly. Many hosting providers even offer one-click WordPress installation. Install WordPress. WordPress is a free open source platform that powers over 40% of the internet. It's user friendly and there are thousands of themes and plugins available to customize your site. If you are serious about blogging, invest in a premium theme. It makes your site look professional and is optimized for SEO. Step 3. Create high quality content. Content is where the magic happens. To keep readers engaged and coming back, your blog posts should be valuable and easy to read. Here is how to create killer content. First, solve problems. Address common issues people in your niche face. Second, SEO is key. Use keyword research tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to find what people are searching for. Incorporate those keywords naturally into your blog post, especially in the title, headings, and first paragraph. Third, make it engaging. Break up long blocks of text with subheadings, images, or lists. Nobody likes wall of text. Try to post consistently. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, find a schedule you can stick to. Consistency helps you build trust with your audience and improve your chances of ranking higher on search engines. Step 4. Monetize your blog. Now that your blog is up and running with some great content, let's talk about how you can make money. Here are 4 main ways bloggers monetize. First, affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services and earn a commission when someone buys through your unique link. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share Sell, or specific brand affiliate programs in your niche. Second, ads. Displaying ads on your blog is another way to generate revenue. You can sign up for Google AdSense, which places targeted ads on your site. The more traffic you get, the more ad revenue you can generate. Third, sponsored posts. Once you've built a decent audience, brands may approach you to write about their products or services. You can also pitch brands directly if your blog aligns with their target audience. Fourth, sell your own products. Many successful bloggers sell digital products like ebooks and courses. For example, if your blog is about personal finance, you could sell budgeting templates or a course on managing money. Pro tip, diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just ads or affiliate marketing. A mix of revenue sources will make your blog more financially stable over time. Step 5. Promote your blog. Finally, you need traffic. Now that you have a blog with valuable content and some monetization strategies in place, you need to promote it. Without traffic, you won't make any money. So, here is how to get people to your blog. First, social media. Share your blog posts on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or Facebook. Pinterest, in particular, is fantastic for driving blog traffic. Second, guest posting. Write guest posts on other established blogs in your niche. This gives you exposure to a broader audience and helps you build backlinks, which improve your SEO. Third, email list. Start building an email list from day one. Offer a free resource like an ebook or checklist to encourage visitors to subscribe. Your email list becomes an invaluable asset for driving traffic back to your blog and promoting products or services. Conclusion. And that's it. You now know the basics of starting a blog and making money. Remember, it takes time, but with consistent effort, you can turn your blog into a profitable venture. If you found this helpful, do let us know in comment section below. Happy blogging!